Robert. Well, we were gonna go snapper fishing today, and look what we're doing. We're catching sheephead.
You're catching sheephead, Vicky. Dang, man. But you know what? Oh, I'm getting a bite.
I know,
I'm
me
getting
too.
a bite. Get it.
Me too,
Take
me
it.
too.
Guys, but you know what? You gotta admire a captain that tells you today's not a good day. Shout out to Captain Stewart out of Port Mansfield. What's his boat name?
Real Obsession.
The Real Obsession.
That I won first runner-up with on Ladies Kingfish.
Get you some. Come on, take it. I pulled it out of his mouth again, Ruben.
Oh my God. But yeah, so we're doing a little bit of sheephead fishing, and then I think we're gonna go try for some trout and reds because the weather didn't cooperate with us to go offshore snapper fishing.
Well,
But hey, we're fishing the conditions.
you're fishing
right?
the conditions. You're adjusting to what needs to be, to what needs to happen, and oh my gosh!
These are the little piggies that are eating our bait.
Can we use them for bait later?
Yes. I'm gonna put them in the
Big old redfish, eat that little bad boy.
yeah.
Big time.
For our redfish. So stay tuned. Don't go away. We'll be right back.
Get you some.
Come along with us and enjoy the great outdoors in the state of Texas. Texas Outdoor Lifestyles, brought to you by Lone Star National Bank. The city of South Padre Island, Texas. Ron Hoover RV and Marine Center. Mayak Boats. Jim's Pier. Danny's Pawn Shop, Point Blank Sporting Goods, Pro Valley Foods, and Select Properties. Texas Outdoor Lifestyles. It's not just a hobby, it's a lifestyle.
Where the stomach is? Right here in front.
The first fish of the day. Nice. I got a sheephead.
Ooh, look at that pretty color.
Nice.
That's a pretty color. Look at those colors.
First fish of the day.
First one. First keeper, right?
Yeah.
14 inches, we're gonna let him go back to mama. Oh, look, another sheephead. Little one. They'll get bigger.
Let me tell you something.
Is
She
it a-
is out fishing us.
Is it
Out
a-
fishing me for sure.
Is it a baya
Let's see. Let's see.
Is it a
Nice,
That's heavy. Look at that.
nice fish, Vicky, man. That's a nice fish. That's a nice one.
That's a good one.
Okay,
Yeah,
Cool.
let's catch some more.
good one.
Oh, we got a double hooker!
Double, baby!
Oh, we lost it!
You lost it!
My first sheephead and it's gone!
Look at this thing.
We got 4 guys in the boat.
Yeah?
3 guys in the boat. No.
What, you don't
3
count?
guys in,
What, you don't
No,
count?
I'm
there's
not
4.
fishing.
No.
Okay.
If I was fishing, I'd be catching.
Ah!
Now, let me tell you something, guys. So far, all these guys are
Don't lose my
skunked,
sheephead. Don't
and the
lose-
only person putting fish on the boat
is
is
a
Vicky.
female.
Vicky Lynn.
A female angler.
What's up with that?
So listen, learn, and watch, and I'll show you how it's done.
You're killing us. I mean, you've caught 4 or 5. We've caught 0. 0. I wish it was 3. 0. So my question is, look at the camera and tell the audience if you're superstitious or not. Yes or no?
No.
No? You didn't. You're wearing the same booties though.
I'm not superstitious.
No?
I'm wearing these booties because they're super comfortable.
Is that what they are? Well, I hear some fishermen are superstitious. They have to wear their favorite something or other. You ever heard that? We're gonna ask Ruben the same thing.
Well, he had an old raggedy shirt when I met him,
Yeah?
and I ripped it off him because it was horrible.
But wait a minute. But he said that he always caught fish with it, didn't he?
He always catches fish, no
With or
matter
without
what
the
he
shirt?
wears.
So you're not a superstitious person.
No.
Alright.
No.
Sounds good. I think
And I have a question for you.
What's that?
Why is everybody so surprised that I'm the only one ever catching fish?
What do you mean? Why is
Because that's like the norm.
I'm getting skunked today.
Woo! Shoot, I just got a bite.
We're trying.
And he
Here we
took
go.
my bait again. That was a good bite.
Don't go away. We'll be right back after a word from these fine sponsors.
Together.
Our children will return to their schools.
Juntos.
Our families will once again meet and celebrate, and our businesses will thrive. Together, we will gather around our flag, and we will worship with our neighbors. Lone Star National Bank thanks all of the people of South Texas for staying strong, and we thank our employees for continuing to service our customers.
Together.
Juntos.
Lone Star National Bank, now more than ever, the Valley's Bank.
Call Vicky Chrysler Hinojosa. I want to be your Texas real estate agent. Welcome back to Texas Outdoor Lifestyles.
Another sheephead.
Do the little ones count or no?
Little ones count. Little ones, how many? That's 4 to zip? That's 4 to zip.
Man.
That's what I got.
Oh,
A little snapper.
I think that's a baby red snapper in the bay.
Pretty. Look at all the yellow lines.
Look at that. That's
Okay,
cool.
Let's get this baby back in the water.
Peanuts hooked up!
Oh my. Good
look
one.
at
Good one. Good one. Nice fish.
I'm falling behind.
Nice fish.
Ooh. Look at that. Nice, man.
Good job.
That. Oh.
Just put the rod in the water. Go underneath. Don't let the rod touch the water. In fact, why don't you get up to where Robert is?
Come on, come on, come on. Get over here. Look at him, look at him. Ooh. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Get her, Peanut.
Okay, stop right there. Stop.
Just lift him up and see if he'll. Whoa, nice, Peanut.
Dude, way to go. Outstanding.
Good job, bro.
What do you have there?
Gotta say it. Take it. Get you some.
Get you some.
That's
Hey, we're fishing with my nephew here, and he's already showing us how it's done. Check this out. This thing has got 2 beautiful spots on there. We're gonna measure him, see what he looks like, see what he measures. But what do you think about catching at least not being skunked out, right? Because Vicky was already. Yeah, she's the only one putting him in the box, so we'll figure it out.
It's hard.
Did it pull hard? Yeah? Whoa, nice. Good deal. Throw it back. Get you some.
There we go. He's already
Vicky.
tired out.
I just saw that fish. He's
I know.
not a catfish. He's not a catfish. There we go. Now he starts fighting.
Yeah.
Ooh! What do you think about your first redfish
I got
of the day?
I got a redfish in the box.
Okay,
Hopefully
but what's
getting
this
done.
about just kicking all these guys' butt? What's up with that?
Oh, I don't know. You guys don't know how to hook or what? You can hook it up.
Dude, what do you got again?
Red.
How do you know it's a red, Vicky? How do you know it's a red? That's what I want to know. Are you that?
How do you know it's a red?
Yeah, how do you know it's a red? It's pulling hard. There you go. Oh, baby, look at that. If it goes in the water?
Put it in the water. Oh, that's a nice one.
If it goes in the water.
That's a big one.
Look at that big, beautiful
Woo,
fish.
you got it.
Bro, good job.
Okay.
Wow.
Well?
Awesome. Give me 5. Give me 5. Awesome. Awesome. Let me tell you something, dude. Not everybody gets to catch a fish like that. Tell me what you think about that fish. What do you think it measures?
So the last one was 20, right? So
Yeah, the other one was 20. What do you think this one measures? Considerably bigger, right? What do you think it measures? Give me a guess. Any guess?
20.
20 what?
25?
25. Let's see what it comes out to.
That's a good guess.
see.
That was a real good guess.
Oh, look at that. On the dot, Peanut. 25 and a half. All right, Peanut. Tell me, are you going to Mackay or Memorial? Tell the camera. Are you going to Mackay or Memorial?
Mac cut it.
Oh my gosh! Peanut, say Memorial. Peanut's gonna be the next quarterback for Mackay. You guys need to watch.
Don't go away. We'll be right back after a word from these fine sponsors. Mayak Boats, the luxury boat on the water. Welcome back to Texas Outdoor Lifestyles.
You like screaming, Vicky?
This is what I'm talking about.
Okay, I want you to tell me something though.
What?
What's on your leg over here? What is this? Here, show me in the sun, 'cause I can't see it. Turn around.
I don't know what it is. Is it a tube?
I don't know, it looks like a gun.
Looks like a gun.
Dang, look at that fish. Come on. Get him.
Whoa!
So is this a redfish too?
This is a redfish. Definitely a redfish.
How do you know?
Because it's screaming. Whoa! It was screaming before, but man, we never get the camera fast enough.
Yeah, blame the cameraman every time.
And the
went to
cameraman
Memorial.
puts the camera up in the air so it can be super windy. And then I get my audience complaining about the wind.
Did you tell him it was an outdoor show or no?
I tell him it's an outdoor show, and then I tell him, why don't you come film for us?
Yeah, come film for us.
Then maybe they'll understand how hard it is to film in the outdoor world. Oh my man, he's just playing with me. There he goes. I saw him jump. I saw him
Is it a
jump.
trout?
No, but I like to keep my rod up so the hook stays in, doesn't come out.
Thinking about catching a red snapper in the bay today.
Oh, the little bitty thing?
A red
That was
snapper.
cool. I don't think I've ever seen one so small.
But in the bay, that's pretty cool.
I know. They're there. It's kind of like the triple tail we caught in the bay.
Let me see your cap.
Never know.
Texas outdoor lifestyle. Get
You
you some.
Not quite tired yet.
Ready.
No. Oh. Woo!
You look at those circle hooks, you think, man, they don't work. Put them in the rod holders, the rod bends, or you're holding it in the rod bends, and look where this hook is embedded. That is classic circle hook, right in the corner. If you want to let the fish go, he's not hurt, he's not hooked real deep, and that's why we let the rod kind of do what it's going to do, and at that point he's hooked. But that's how a circle hook works. Perfect, right there, textbook circle hook. You do the little half circle.
What size is that?
This is a 5/0 offset circle hook.
Nice. What
That's a 26.5, 27-inch redfish.
kind of bait are you using?
Mexican topwaters,
Mexican topwaters, also
Yeah.
known as.
the chingoleros.
Can we ever get a straight answer out of you?
It's a bait that you can only get in Mexico at the Walmart in Mexico in Reynosa. Oh my goodness. Where are you in the tournament?
That's a big old fish, Vic.
Our
Look at that.
Elabella is famous for the monster.
Monster.
When it's screaming, just let it go, and then reel it when it stops screaming. Ew, that's a nice one. Woo! Oh, look at him. He's gonna run. That's a 28-incher. round 2? Pop is next. Bring that baby. Oh, you didn't. He's
Go.
real. Okay, go. You're gonna have to go to the back. You're gonna have to go to the back. It's too much. It's too close to the boat.
Go for it.
Nice. Okay, how does that feel?
Wow. Good job, Peter. Well done, brother. He just left.
Oh! He came off. What do you mean he just left?
The line was tight.
No.
It
No.
Wow,
If the
meant to
line
be.
would have been tight.
But I got some. Get you some.
28, right?
27.
Oh
and
my.
3/4. This reel only catches redfish. That's it.
Rod
This rod and reel
and reel.
only catches redfish. It's a big old redfish. I already saw it.
Well, let's see it.
Over there. Now it's going the other way. Let me tell you something. It's a beautiful day out here. Fishing with my cousins. Fishing with my best friends. It doesn't get that much better. You know that?
Boom.
That's the way we do it on the Texas Outdoor Lifestyle.
Right in the corner.
Right in the corner of the mouth.
That's where we tell everybody we catch our fish.
Right in the corner of the mouth.
Right in the corner of the mouth.
I think that's...
Is he
What do you
over?
think? Nah, I don't know.
Get him. Woo!
That's a big fish.
Oh, he's concentrating. Look at him concentrate. There we go.
Good job, Peanut!
A big one, dude.
Good job, dude.
Woo!
Well done.
Outstanding. Right in the corner of the mouth.
Another perfect.
Textbook. Textbook right there, right in the corner of the mouth.
Don't go away. We'll be right back after a word from these fine sponsors.
Hi, we're here at Ron Hoover RV and Marine Center, and we're here with Alan and Edna, and we're gonna like showcase a few of the really cool campers and everything else that they have here. It's like my Disney World of the outdoor world.
Welcome back to Texas Outdoor Lifestyles.
We're here at the Painted Marlin. We're taking a little break, and what an awesome day we had. And I think we're gonna go out and try to catch some more sheephead, right?
How about, what do you mean more? How about one for me? You know, I
Okay.
still haven't been able to catch one. It's like, I don't know, I had one on this morning and it just wiggled
And
its
it
way
came
out.
off, yeah. So
But you know what?
We're gonna
try again. And
yeah, we're gonna try it again before it gets
I
dark.
feel lucky. I
Yes,
think we can-
but we had a great time fishing with your cousin and your
With my nephew, yeah.
And it was awesome taking a teen out to go fish. It's priceless to see their faces. They don't even know what to say.
Yeah,
They're so quiet.
yeah.
They get so quiet.
Especially him. He's so quiet. He's so shy. But you know what? He's gonna be good. He's okay.
Yes.
He's into sports and he does all that kind of good stuff.
Yes. So anyway, I can't wait till this episode comes out. And what do we say?
So, you know what? We say this.
Get you some.